welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox the Samsung Soundbar that I purchased the other day there. It's the Samsung Surround Air Track. It's model number HW-F551. It comes in an extremely large box, but that is because of the subwoofer, which is quite big. Features on it include a sound share feature, wireless subwoofer, and as regards the subwoofer, there was used to supply the subwoofer with a big sticker on it, and there was problems with getting the sticker off and stuff like that. The subwoofer that I received didn't have this great big silly sticker on it. I'm not technically gifted, so I'm not exactly sure what a subwoofer is, but I'll show you it. I'm not sure what it does. I don't know if it's some sort of underwater barking dog or whatever, but it sounds the part, I've got to say. 3D sound, a Crystal Amplifier Pro, and it's got HDMI audio return channel. It has Dolby, 310 watts, great spec on it. You can wall mount it, and what I'll do is I'll unbox it. I'm not going to hang about, I'll unbox it and set it up. I'll go through what it will require to do the setup. Okay? Now that's the soundbar there. I've sat it just in front of the TV. I've got a 55-inch TV, it's a Samsung as well. This was very easy to set up, and the subwoofer there, you can put that anywhere because it is wireless, but it still needs to be plugged into the wall. You've got to understand that. What I'll do is I'll try and give you a demonstration of the sound quality without the soundbar and with the soundbar, and hopefully the camera will pick that up. I hope you managed to hear the difference there. I'm not sure how it's been picked up. This does come with a quick setup guide, which is what I used. Took me about 15-20 minutes. Great. The unit I was going to purchase at John Lewis, £319. When I was in the store it was £299. I don't know why there was a difference between online and in store, but I did actually purchase it online, and you quite easily, I think it was through eBay that I purchased it for £279. But the John Lewis does give you a 2-year warranty with that. Okay, hope that helps. Thank you. Like, subscribe, share as well please. Thank you. Bye.